Hi Sam. I hope you're ready for another exciting word today. Our word is
dort.
Hi Alex.
Dort.
What does that mean?
great question.
Dort.
Means there in English. It's used to indicate a specific place that isn't close to the speaker. The most common meaning is simply there, but it can also imply at that place.
That makes sense. Are there any tricky parts to this word?
Yes. While
Dort.
is straightforward, be careful not to confuse it with
Dorthin.
which means to there. They might seem similar, but they serve different functions in sentences.
Got it. So, how do we use
Dort.
in sentences?
Dort.
Is an adverb, so it doesn't have gender or plural forms like nouns do. You can use it in various contexts. For example, you might say,
Ich sehe das Buch dort.
which means I see the book there.
How would that look in the past tense?
In the past tense, you might say,
Ich sah das Buch dort.
for I saw the book there. And in perfect, you'd say,
Ich habe das Buch dort gesehen.
So, it just changes the verb, and
Dort.
stays the same.
exactly.
Dort.
Remains unchanged. It's handy like that.
Where does the word
Dort.
come from?
Interesting you ask.
Dort.
Comes from Old High German
Dort.
and has been used for centuries. Its meaning has remained quite stable through the ages, which is quite rare for many words.
That's fascinating. I love learning about word origins.
I do too. Now, let's break down.
Dort.
It's a simple adverb, so it doesn't have a prefix or suffix. Think of it as a building block for many phrases about location.
So, it's just a single piece.
Correct. Other words like
Hier.
meaning here or
Überall.
meaning everywhere are similar in that they are also adverbs of place.
What are some similar words we can learn?
We can group them. For example, words like
Hier.
meaning here indicate a location close to the speaker, while means there but can sometimes be more general.
And what about words with the same pattern?
Sure. Theirs,
Dorthin.
which means to there, and
Dorthin.
is another variation meaning to that place.
Okay. What about situations where I might use
Dort.
Great idea. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You could say,
Das Essen ist dort.
meaning the food is there.
Das Essen ist dort.
got it?
Perfect. Another situation could be at a park. you might say,
Der Ball liegt dort.
meaning the ball is there.
Der Ball liegt dort.
This is fun.
One more example could be if you're giving directions. You could say,
Gehen Sie dort entlang.
meaning go along there.
Gehen Sie dort entlang.
I like this.
Now, let's talk a bit about gender memory hints. Although
Dort.
is an adverb and doesn't have gender, you can remember it by associating it with the word, which is similar.
That's a good way to remember it.
Usage-wise,
Dort.
is fairly neutral and can be used in both formal and informal settings. Common phrases include,
Dort ist das Problem.
meaning there is the problem, and
Ich wohne dort.
meaning I live there.
Are there any similar words I should be cautious about?
Yes. Don't confuse it with
Dorthin.
and. They can mean different things depending on the context.
I see. Can you give me a few example sentences?
Sure. Here's one,
Die Schule ist dort.
meaning the school is there. Or,
Wir wohnen dort.
meaning we live there.
I like those.
Another one could be,
Die Katze schläft dort.
meaning the cat sleeps there.
I can see how useful this word is.
Yes, and let's try a quick recall check. What does
Dort.
mean?
It means there.
Correct. How would you say the book is there in German?
Das Buch ist dort.
Right again. What's the past tense of saying I see the book there?
Is it?
Ich sah das Buch dort.
Absolutely. What about the ball is there?
Der Ball ist dort.
Yes. Last question, what's a similar word to
Dort.
Is it?
Hier.
exactly? You did really well.
Thanks, Alex. This was really informative. What's the key takeaway today?
The key takeaway is that
Dort.
is a simple but essential word for indicating a location. Use it confidently in your conversations.
I will. Thanks for helping me understand it better.